this circuit we have A and B connected to two NOR gates. This is our two switches and this is our LED. And when we have 0 0, the bulb is not lighting up. But if we have 0 1, the bulb lights up. If we have 1 0, that is A being 1, then the bulb lights up. And if we have both on, the bulb still lights up. This is our first schematic. We design the next circuit. We see the two switches A and B, and they are connected to the LED over here. So when we have 0 0, the LED doesn't light up. But if we have A as 0 and B as 1, the light does light up. And for 1 0, the light lights up again. But for 1 1, the light doesn't light up. So for the part 2, we constructed a series inverter fan. So when we look at the oscilloscope, we can measure the VOH and VOL using the cursor menu. We can shift the cursor like this, and we can get a VOH and VOL. And for TPL and TPHL, we can shift the cursors like this, and when you get into the center, you can figure out the TPL and TPHL, giving you these values.
This is the video for the part 3 of our lab for DDE1. This is the circuit we are supposed to make, and for this resistor we're using a 120 ohm resistance. As you can see, we have constructed it here, and the point is for the bulb to work on when the input is given. As you can see, it is working. This video is for the part 4 of DED Lab E1, and here we were supposed to use NAND gates and make a circuit where when there are 2 or more outputs which are high, the output, basically the bulb lights up. Here is a truth table for it, and we use the K-map, and we can see the ones in this order. Using De Morgan's laws, we came down to this final Boolean equation, and this is the schematic for the whole circuit. If we move to the board, here we can see when I press 2, that is, this is A, this is B, and this is the C inputs. When A and B are working, the light lights up. When B, C are on, the light lights up again. And as you can see, I think when all 3 are lighting, the light is on. If you off A, that is B, C working, the light is on. And if you keep A and B on, the light is on once again. And the lights are off, there is no input, lights are off. When 1 is on, there is no light that is on, as you can see. So the same goes for B and for C.